how to add the weather UV index widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 17 series. Okay, first let's return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, press on the side button to lock the phone. Then we go to the lock screen, and on the lock screen, touch and hold. After that, tap on the customize button. Then choose whether you want to add it to the top widget panel here or the bottom widget panel. Okay, so tap on it. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on weather. Next, we swipe across and select UV index. So tap on that widget, and the UV index will be added to the panel. After that, tap on the close button. Then tap anywhere out here to close the widget list. Then tap on done to save the changes. Then tap on a blank spot on the screen again. And that's it. We have now successfully added the UV index widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 17 series. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.